Just checking tyre pressures. Get like a little check of a forehead off in the morning. Up north, up Scotland. Might be up and out for 6, half 6 at latest. And it heads from here, where I'm in Nottinghamshire, up to Scotch Corner. I want to avoid motorways, but sat-nav was saying I did like another 4 hour on. It's meant to be quite warm tomorrow as well, so ideally I want to get there as soon as possible, really. But yeah, I'm going to go up Scotch Corner. And then from me, Scotch Corner, I know it's 100 miles from here, so that'll take a good chunk off it route. 290 mile, I think our route is for tomorrow. From Scotch Corner up to just on the outskirts of Pennines, up to Gretna Green, and up to me digs. I can't remember name it town now. Well, pod book for tomorrow. We'll plan to route for next week or so. I'm doing a bit at NC 500, but not all of it. I want to mix it up a bit. Looking forward to it. Should be good. So I'm going to finish off here, and then I'll catch you in the morning. I stopped here at Scotch Corner. Had a cup of tea in a cob. Wasn't a bad ride up actually, that weren't. So I want to set off at 6. I didn't go till I'd gone for 7 o'clock what time I left. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, that wasn't a bad ride up that way actually. We're still 110 mile. I've got 180 to do. So, not a way to go yet. Let's stop on this road here, B6277. I think it's just up Pennines, I think it is. Stunning. Absolute stunning. at this, look, little river, look. Just that all day long, that river flowing. Amazing round here. Are you going up there? Was it went straight round? It wasn't going up there. Holy shit. Oh. Up Silent Mountain. Look at that house there, look. Place to live. Stunning. Surrounded by all this beauty. Wake up to this every morning. Yes, please. Look at this. Winter Hope Burn. I think that's how you say it. I'm jealous those people live there. Very jealous. What a place to live. You'd never get bored, would you, looking at this all day, every day? Well, I won't anyway. Wow. They've got the right idea, haven't they? Look at that. Holy moly. Jeez. They come from there. But they are. The wild camp, can't you, in Scotland? Hey, water down there, look. Thank you. Oof. Thank you. That's amazing, that is. How clear, I can't water as well. I've walked that steep hill now. I'd have missed this if I'd turned round. It's always worth taking a risk, isn't it? If you feel like taking a risk, take it. It pays off. It paid off for me, I've been rewarded with something like this. I keep stopping all the time, I've got a pub here, look at this. Fam dabby doozy. sure what this lock's called. Is it a lock or it'd be a lock, not it? What's this say? Welcome to Maggot Reservoir. Can't really see it, can you? It's a bit dirty. Damning this 60 million questions, 64 million questions. What's that then? That thing in the middle there, I just wonder what that is, but I can't really make it out. I don't know. Welcome to Scotland. Just stopped here to get some supplies. Get some milk and stuff and a few bits and bobs. Look at this, look. How nice is that? Lovely. Oh, look over there. Oh shit. We're left here. Took a look at that bloody mountain over there. Hey? What? Come on, sat down. Wait, sort yourself out. Bloody hell. What's going off here? You said left there, you plonker. Right. Right, let's go and check in. Afternoon. Got booking for tonight. I've just had a shower and something to eat. I'm knackered. 220 mile, I think it was today. Yeah, 220 mile. 293 mile, I think. Yeah, 293 mile. That road were epic, that B6277. Cracking road that way. Saying that though, once left Scotch Corner, there's some decent road up there, all that way. That Maggot Reservoir, stunning round there. Tomorrow I'm heading up towards Glencoe. Stop up Glencoe for night tomorrow. But it is a day tomorrow, it's only 140 odd mile. So a bit of a steady day tomorrow. A bit more relaxed. If weather stops like this, we should be in for a good week. But we'll see, eh? See you in the morning.